how to rotate your video on Filmora. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to rotate your video in an easy, fast way. So first thing we do is we go to Filmora, and this is the home page as you can see. Now if you want to rotate your video, and this is my video right here, you have just to go here and then click on the right click on your mouse like this, and then choose rotate as you want from here, like this, or even like this, or like this, or like this. As you can see, I can rotate my video as I want. And that's it for today's video, guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.